What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be doing a thrift flip by making a skirt out of this shirt. So stay tuned and let's get this show on the road. God, you're embarrassing me. Please stop it. No, don't stop. I was only joking. Keep it coming. So this pointed area is going to be our skirt length. You need 4 basic measurements to make a skirt. First is the waist circumference. That you need to get. It needs to be tight and fitted. Then you move to your hip. Your hip circumference should be a bit loose so the skirt won't be clingy. Also, you need your hip line measurement. The 4th measurement you need is the skirt length. The skirt length here is 15 inches. So I start by marking that on the center front, then on the sides. Here comes Mrs. Easy DIY. Next, I'm connecting the dotted line to create a straight line so it can be visible and then easier for us to trace out. Now I'm going to fold the shirt into 2. So this is where it gets tricky. Now I'm marking my waist circumference divided by 4. Next, I'm doing the hip line, which is 7 inches, and of course we'll follow this by the hip circumference divided by 4. So you maintain the same hip circumference measurement for the lower part of the skirt. It doesn't hurt to cross-check your skirt length once more, just to be precise. Next is to connect the measurement on the side lines. By doing so, skirt shape is already forming. And of course, we move to the exciting part: cut out our skirts. Ta-da! And this is what it looks like after cutting. This is the shape you get after cutting. Next, you pin the lower part of the skirt and also the upper part of the skirt down. So guys, if you're still watching this, don't forget to comment, don't forget to like, and don't also forget to subscribe and share this video. So you take out the front part and then fold it into 2. Then you mark 1/2 inch at the center front to create a curve, which we are going to cut out eventually. So we are going to be running stitches through these pointed areas to avoid hand exposure and skin exposure on that area. That was easy, right? So the next thing to do is to fold the upper part. When I said the upper part, I meant the skirt waist. So you'll be running a 1/2 inch seam sewing around the waistline. Obviously, it's no brainer that we need to fix back the button we removed earlier. Guys, jokes apart, I need you to subscribe, please. I really need you to subscribe. Help your girl out. Like, you need to really have my back. I need your subscription. So don't forget to share this video. Don't forget to press on the like button, comment also, and once more, subscribe to my channel. Ooh, I love you. Please subscribe. And we move. Here comes Mrs. Easy DIY, opening the seam allowance. Now she's about to rock the skirt and get this party started. I would like to use this opportunity to say a big thank you to my subscribers, to my viewers. I love you so much. My head is swelling. Thank you.